Right on, everybody. Well, I'm back to trying this for the third time. So, as you may have seen the last time, I was using wire that was like this stuff here. I still have to use this this wire on this lead because I don't know about rewiring that. But what I did get was some of this. It's a double conductor, oxygen-free copper. So there's no tin in it. There's no junk in it. It's all copper. And with the two conductors, I should be able to split this wire right down the middle between the black and the red, and strip it back, solder it on, do whatever I needed to do. Here's the other two circuit boards that didn't really work out. I'm going to hang on to them just in case. I've got a new one right here. I'll be putting that in the vise here. I've got to put all the capacitors and the resistor on there. And maybe when I get that and the 8-pin socket on there, I'll come back. So later. On. So I've got the socket soldered on there, the 8-pin socket. I've got the resistor and the two capacitors. I got those all soldered on, and I just finished putting the 9-volt lead on. Everything seems solid there. Okay, so I'm just going to get the rest of the components pre-wired. So like I've got the pots, the switch, and then I'm going to unsolder this one wire there and get that ready for the other stuff. And when I get all that junk done, I'll be back. Well, I seem to have run into a little snag. I ordered 22 gauge wire because the smallest wire I had was 20 gauge, and I thought that was just one size too big. Actually, it's like two sizes too big. So I had to order some 24 gauge 10 wire. It's going to be just like the same kind of stuff with the black and the red, so it'll be better quality than the stuff that comes with the Theremin kit. So I think I'm just going to stop it right there. I've got everything done to this point, so I'm just going to wait for the new wire to show up, and then I'll come back and we'll get back to it. Right on. So I'm back. I got the 24 gauge wire. Everything's wired up and soldered. Well, not wired up. It's soldered to the wires, and then I got to put these onto there. There's also the controller chip. This guy here. That needs to be going into this socket right there. And then I've got the light sensitive LED triggers. Those have to go in somewhere up in here. So I got a little bit more soldering to do, but I just thought I'd come back and let you know that so far everything's going a little bit better than planned. Alright, so I'll be back in a little bit. Right on. Well, this thing is finally wired up. It seems that all the wires soldered up okay. All the components are soldered on all right. I'm just about ready to do the test. Like I said, I still don't have an amplifier, so I don't know if I can actually get any noise out of my amp, or not my amp, my mixer. But I'm going to give it a hookup, and I'll be back. Well, I don't know what to do. I got it all hooked up. Everything's powered up. I can actually hear in my headphones the power switch turning on and off, but I'm not getting any kind of theremin sounds whatsoever. So I don't know. I don't know what I've done wrong. I don't know if maybe my mixer just doesn't have enough gain to where I can actually hear what's going on. I don't know. I have no idea. So I guess my next thing is to see if I can find me some kind of a powered speaker that I can put this into and see if it works or not. So I guess I gotta buy some more stuff. So I'll be back when I get some more money. All right, this is it for now. I'm out of here. Well, I tried it again, and I tried it again, and well, it's just not working. I am not getting any sound out of it. But then again, when I was building Rob's Iceman guitar, I couldn't get any sound out of that either. All my solder joints look like they're good enough to be making contact, so I really don't know what's going on. I think maybe it could be the case of not enough gain in my mixer. So I'm going to have to try to figure out. I don't really have another like a preamp or anything else to hook it into, so I'm going to look around here and see if I can't find something to get some more power into this thing, and I'll be back. I hooked it all back up and I ran it through my mixer. I had to use one of the mic channels that had like a phantom power setup, but it still wasn't enough to get anything coming out of it. I got like this kind of a kind of like just a white noise, but it had no theremin effect whatsoever, and it was really, really, really. I couldn't even hardly even hear it. So that makes me go back to the thing that I was talking about just a little while ago. I think I needed an actual like guitar amplifier to put this thing into, something that's got some serious wattage behind it, so I can actually hear what's going on. So looks like I got to buy an amplifier. So there goes more money. Anyway, yeah, so that's it. I'll can't do anything until I can find out if this thing works or not. So I'll be back later.